pamilya. Digdi sa DCGB. Giya para sa pamilyang maugma. Nagkakasararo. May takot sa Diyos. Asin disiplina. Mga tema para sa marahay na pagpapadalaga nin pamilya. Asin iba pa. Ang gabos na yan. Digdi sana sa DCGB. Sa programang Usapang Pamilya.
Diyos maray na hapon po mga kausapang pamilya, mga nagdadangog po sa DCGB AM, DCGB News Online, sa satuya pong YouTube app, asin sa satuya pong YouTube app, asin sa satuya pong live app. Diyos maray na hapon po sa Indo Kabos. Good vibes. Afternoon, Miss Pita.
Yes, Tabi. Diyos maray na hapon. Asin mabuhay, Tabi, sa Sir Bert. And syempre, sa satuya mga parantabay. Today is Monday. April 13, digdi naman po kita sa satuyang regular program every Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursday. Digdi lang po, Usapang Pamilya sa DCGB, always number one, always at your service. And syempre po, ngunya na hapon kay ribahan ta po sa Technical Department day iba si Sir June Napolis and
Sir Jerome Nico Martinez. Kaya iba man po sa tuwi pong mga OJTs from Cat College na sina CJ Morante asin Aldwin Andes.
Ayan. Ayan, welcome to our program. And Sir Bert, medyo grabe ang init Tabi Sir Bert today.
Okay, yes, oo. Pero maringan po, nagpaparos-paros pambagang medyo malipot po, Miss Pita, ano?
Ayan, madali makamaraki, mga nilabhan. Di ka na kaypuan mag-dryer. Pero ikaw kita mag-expect na raot na panahon?
Sabi kang pag-asa garid ay naman po masyado.
Ay, thank you Lord. Ayan, luminis na ta. Sobra na, grabe na nga ni ang krisis. Sigwa pang route ng panahon. Ba't ay gwa pa kitang ini si Mount Mayon volcano.
Iya po, oo.
So, okay na okay kita. At least, nagbaba kidiit ang satuyang krudo mo niyan.
Ayo, sa aga da po, may rollback da sa aga.
Ayan, sabi ko, nipig-expect ko 20 pesos or more. Ito pala na ito, 4 pesos.
So, diesel po, 20 plus.
Really? 20 talaga?
Opo.
Ay, salamat. Hallelujah. Praise God. That's
so,
big
good
help
news,
already, di ba?
Good
news na yan. Kaya sa gama, kargalama ako kay puwan ko na nga ni talaga, naglalakaw-lakaw na siya nata. Maski mainito, naka-sunscreen na lang to protect our skin from
payong.
Ayan, payong and kailangan natin more water. And syempre, mag-iingat tayo. Ingat pa rin ang satuyang buhay para pwede maghilang.
Yes, bawal magkasakit.
Hindi pwede. Don't get sick. It's not allowed.
Bawal magkasakit. Hospital ka pa sana, mapamasahe ka, mapagasolina po.
Ayan.
Sabi daw po, ang bawas sa diesel is 20.89 pesos.
And?
Sa gasoline po, 4 pesos and 43 centavos.
Ayan.
And sa kerosene, 8.50. 8 pesos and 50 centavos.
O yan. Malaki na rin yan. Can you imagine? 20 pesos na binawas sa diesel, 4 pesos sa gasoline, and sa kerosene, 8 pesos. That's something already.
So kay puan mo yan makipila, makiumbasan po sa gasoline station.
Thank you, Lord.
Pag Martes, baga po, nagtataas ang presyo pang gasolina po.
Sa mga commuter at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino.
Ayan.
Araw-araw na apektuhan.
Ayan.
So ayan po
yung
ang satuya pong nailing po sa post kang Department of Energy.
Yan na po inanunsyo talaga ni Presidente. Yan, thank you naman. At least somehow makakabawas kan sa tuyang gabat. Grabe.
Ayan.
It's too much for us really. So well anyway, Sir Bert, today is April 13, ang bilis ang panahon. Kalahati na ng buwan ng April and next month, Mayo na.
Kaskasan po ang panahon po, ano?
Santa Cruz na naman. Ang bilis. And before we proceed, let me take this opportunity to congratulate my grandson who graduated grade 12 sa Colegio de San Agustin sa Manila. So I was there and also si Alisa naka-complete na siya ng grade 10. And also, isabay-sabay ko na tabi, Sir Bert, para dire-diretso, I would like to greet my grandson, si John Roy, si Sprout, ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, John Roy.
Happy birthday, John Roy.
Ayan.
You're cute and talented, apo.
Sabi niya, Mama, ano regalo mo sa akin? Sabi ko, wala pa. And of course, I would like to greet our president namin sa sa Batch 75, of course, si Press Faye Mata Lauraya. Happy birthday, Tabi. Press
Happy
Faye.
birthday, Ma'am Faye.
Ayan.
Sa satuloy po mga regular listeners and viewers, lalo na po kay Sir King Reginaldo na permi pong pag-share po ang satuya pong live, Facebook Live.
Ayan.
Sir Jude Andres, asin si Sir Bert Lucinario na na-meet ko po dyan sa Daraga. Naghihiling da po siya sa tuyang programa po, Miss Pita.
Ayan, very thankful tayo, Sir Bert, kasi dumadami ang ating mga nakikinig sa radio and
Oo,
even ang
and
ating yung
watching
mga
sa-
watching. And saka nag-message si Sir Jerel Aranya. Good PM po, God bless all over the world. Happy listening kay Baby Love Elaya Exaralavaran. Ayan. Aranya. Ayan.
Hello po, Sir Gerald, asin
Yan.
sa imo pong pamilya.
At saka good afternoon din kay kay Sir Clint.
Sir Clint, Sir
Ayan.
Brandon, Ma'am Becky,
Ayan, yung sa Roch.
Oo.
Ayan.
Rochelle,
The Gonzaga
Roch
family.
Construction and
Ayan.
Supply.
Dami nating
Sir
baka
Lito, ayan, mga Berango family from Bakakay.
baka hindi natin ma-mention lahat. Marami tayo mga yung namimit natin pag kunyari nasa supermarket tayo, meron tayo, uy, nakikinig kami doon sa program. And also I would like to hello yan sa family ko, si Nadong, they're watching si
Sir Dong, good
si
afternoon.
Rose,
Ma'am
si
Rose.
Trish, at saka si Nora. They're watching right now. Yan.
Kaya ngayon na hapon po mga tug. Okay, by the way po, if you would like to send your comments or messages or interact with us, ang sa kuya pong cellphone 0991-328-1345. Again, 0991-328-1345 or my Facebook page, Good Vibes MC Bert.
And sa akin naman po, sa messenger account, it's Christina Agapita Pacres. Again, it's Christina Agapita Pacres. And my number, it's 9322-406-439. It's 9322-406-439. Para po kung para anything na kasi ang ganda ng topic natin, you can send your message po sa Tuya or anything that you would like to comment. Ayan.
Ayan. So, we are so blessed this afternoon po. Sobrang blessed pang usapang pamilya because we have for our guests two of our viewers, our loyal viewers since
Sa
nag-start
Germany.
po tayo, Miss Pita po up to now.
Oo, yeah.
So, we would know that they are watching because they would nagko-comment po sila and they send messages to us. Ang sa tuya pong topic ngayon na hapon, Ma'am Pita, as usual, sarong magayuno ng topic naman po.
Yeah, the topic, ang ganda ng topic, it's Love Beyond Borders. Hamon at tagumpay ng isang international marriage.
Yan.
Ayan.
Yan po yung sa tuyang topic po ngayon na hapon. Kaya maibabahagi tayong kwento na tunay na kahanga-hanga, isang kwento ng pag-ibig na hindi napigilan ng distansya, kultura at panahon.
Ayan, isang kwento ng Filipina at German na 34 years na silang magkasama. Patunay na tunay ang pagmamahal ay walang hanggan.
Kaya-
Walang hangganan.
Ayan.
Merong
Kaya-
forever.
May forever.
Ayan.
So it's love beyond borders, hamon at tagumpay ng isang international marriage.
Yan. At saka, Sir Bert, napakaganda ang ganitong kwento kasi hindi lang ito love story. Kwento ito ng commitment at parang commitment ng pagtsitsaga. Di ba?
Tama ka dyan po, Ma'am Pita. So isipin mo po, magkaibang kultura, magkaibang wika, magkaibang pagpapalaki.
Ayan. Pero nagkatagpo.
Mm-mm.
They met, they fell in love, at they're still together for 34 years. Can you imagine? 34 years na sila, Sir Bert.
Mm-mm. Kaya, so sa istorya mo po kanina, may mga challenges din silang pig-agihan.
Yeah,
But together, they survive these challenges.
34 years, ha?
Mm-mm.
Ayan.
34 years together.
Ayan.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guests this afternoon, our viewers from Germany, Gerd and Marilu Dice-Mayer.
Welcome to our program. Hello, mabuhay. Welcome to Usapang Pamilya. Finally, you're here.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Yeah.
And thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Our honor that you are here with us.
We're so happy that you're here. Finally, you're here.
Yes, we made it.
Oo. Actually, we're cousin of my husband.
Yes.
But this is my first time to meet you. Yeah.
That's all right.
Okay.
So,
So, Sir Bert, we're
First
so
of
happy
all,
that
how's
you're here.
life? How's life?
Oh, good.
Good.
No, Marilu?
Okay lang. Masaya at nakauwi ulit dito sa Pilipinas kahit sandaling oras lang o panahon.
How many times do you go home or go here? Come here
How
in the
often do
Philippines?
you come here sa
Now-
Philippines?
Me?
Last, no.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Last time, that's 2023 and 24.
Hmm?
and
So almost
26.
yearly.
Yeah. at least once a year,
Mm.
they're able to visit the Philippines and i-enjoy
Yeah.
the view of the Mayon volcano and the weather. You like the weather here?
Sometimes too hot
Ah.
and too dry.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
Really?
There's snow, you have snow. Meron bang winter po sa Germany? Meron
Now it's
ano?
finished.
Mm.
It's still cold, around 10 degrees.
It's still cold.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
cold.
It's, let's say, maybe now I didn't watch, but I think it's now 15, 18 degrees, like a cold February in the Philippines.
Mm.
That's the cold
Mm.
for us. If you go there,
Mm.
it's cold.
So, we have to bring our jacket.
Yeah.
Yes, you need. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our first question,
Yeah.
Boss Gerd and Mama Rilu. How did your love story begin?
Well, I have been working in the 19th in Puerto Galera, Oriental Mindoro, as a scuba instructor.
Mm.
And I met Mary Lou in a restaurant. She serves my dinner or lunch, I don't remember well. And I thought, that's it. She is it.
It all started there.
So it
Love at
starts
first sight.
there, and then
Love struck.
I have been 10 years there, and I think 3 years later, or something like this, I married her. And we are married since 1997. something like that.
Wow.
Don't
So
make any
34 years.
mistakes.
Mama Rilu, would you like to add how you met?
Yeah. Dati, gusto bang sumubok ng iba para kung sa ano ba sa ibang sa naging karanasan ko sa buhay, hindi naman tayo mayaman, kailangan nating maging matatag at nakilala ko si Gert at nakita ko naman sa kanya na okay naman, sinubukan ko. Hanggat sa isang araw, ang sabi niya sa akin, gusto ko makilala ang buong pamilya. Nagkataon naman, umuwi kami dito ng Albay. Buhay pa nun ang kapatid ng lula namin, si Pai Ruben. Biyanan ng...
My father-in-law.
Yes. Yan, buhay pa siya noon. Tapos, nakakatuwa nga. Mahirap man ikwento, pero medyo... Sabi niya, huwag kayong magtatabi. Sabi. Kasi bata ka pa. Yun ang sabi.
How old
How-
were you then?
I was, I think, 18.
18. Wow. Nasa prime.
18.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And we stayed there in Maroroy 3 days. And then we go back to Manila. And Sag de Pai Ruben, we have to prepare all the paper. You have to marry her. Sag the girl, yes, I do.
You have to marry her. Otherwise.
There was a shotgun.
Typical.
No shotgun involved. No shotgun. What did you like in ano po yung ano ang nagandahan mo kay
Kay
Paano niya
Gert.
nakuha yung I love you too?
Dati, masabi man natin na hindi naman siya yung lalaking madaling mahalin kasi ibibigay niya sa yung tutulungan kanya hangga't kaya niya. Kagaya niya halimbawa, yung paglalaban, paglaba siya. Kaya ako nagpa-plan siya, pero siya lang talaga maglalaba. Sa paglinis sa bahay, tulong kami. Pag umalis ako madumi yan, pagbalik ko malinis na lahat yan. Yun ang, tapos isa pa, may yung tiwala. Yung tiwala.
Yung
Minsan,
trust.
natural naman sa mag-asawa na nag-aaway, nagtatampuhan. Normal yun. Pero kahit pa paano, naayos ko naman naman sa mga. Kaya yun ang, at saka, kahit sulo siyang anak, o ano pa, wala siyang ibang kapatid, ang nakita ko lang sa kanya, na hindi kanya iiwanan, kahit ano pa mangyari. Kahit magtalo man kayo, nandiyan pa rin siya sa likod ko. Yun ang nambiro na gusto ko sa kanya.
Sincere yung pagmamahal niya.
Totoo.
Was this now good or bad?
Strike it.
Good. How about you, Boss Gerd?
Salamat.
What did you see in Ma'am Marilu that you decided that she be your wife?
She's the one.
That she's the one.
Feeling
The love.
and good looking. And I think that's all. That's
Oh,
all.
look.
Yeah. There was no other stuff. No. Life was different as a scuba instructor, kicking sand on the beach and working very hard. So yeah, that was just easy going.
Yeah.
Nagpakipot ka din po, ma'am?
Actually,
Hard to
actually
get po,
dati
ano?
kasi si Gert, napakagandang lalaki niya nung bata pa siya.
Even now.
Kahit ngayon.
Hindi, kahit noon talagang, hindi ka man sabihin na actually ayaw ko sa kanya noon. Dad, chat siya. 3 months before, I say I love you to you.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi, pero nagustuhan ko yung ugali niya. Tapat siya, hindi siya yung taong manluloko. At hindi ka dadayain. Yung meron siyang isang salita. Yun ang number one na nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Kaya hindi siya normal nga, sabi nga sa'yo, yung mag-asawa, sabi na normal ang pagtatalo, pag sinabing walang away, hindi totoo yun. Panluloko.
No,
Pero kami talaga, yung dyan, normal.
Normal. We kung minsan may mga ganyan, we experience that.
Basahin ko lang po ito, may comment na po. From Ma'am Glenda Losa. Good afternoon po, Ate Tita and Kuya Bert. Pabati po ng happy 37th wedding anniversary kay Ruben and Glenda Losa. Ngayon na daw. Salamat ng tabi. God bless.
Ayan.
Happy 37th daw po ini, Ma'am Marilu. Meron din nanonood po. 37 years together.
Wow.
Happy anniversary po, Ma'am Glenda. And
Happy anniversary.
Sir Ruben.
Ayan.
Ayan. So, sila, based on tiwala. May tiwala. May tiwala ang ating...
Of course, you also had misunderstandings and you have the
Sure.
different culture. So how did you manage to how did you manage to overcome all the misunderstandings that you had when it comes to the
Well,
different cultures that we have?
It was just the language first.
Mhm.
So we started straight ahead talking only in German. And we had at home a lot of stickers, Schrank, Kabinett, table, always yellow, was it? No?
Yeah.
Yellow post-its, and we just talking in German. And that was difficult
Yes.
for her especially, not for me. And but was good learning for her. I think so. We sent her to school straight ahead. She was 6 months in school.
Yeah,
something
6
like
months.
That, yeah, for first touch in German, and then the rest was just normal living. What she was missing is the sari shop and things I think we don't have, or the
Yeah.
chickens in the neighborhood, or barking dogs. so that it was, the culture is different, and well, we managed it. It was okay.
She
No
missed
problem.
home.
Yeah, sure, yeah, family.
Yeah. You know, Sir Bert, my daughter,
Mm.
she is studying German language, but she said it's very difficult.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's so difficult,
Even
the
for me.
language. Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, no,
Even for
So
a
it's
German, it's
different
difficult.
level by levels that you have to study. So I think she's again enrolled now.
in German we have 2 levels for beginners and then the intermediate, and you need this to live in Germany.
Yes.
If you don't talk any words about any German words,
You will find it hard to find a job if you don't speak the
not only
language.
this, no, in general you can't buy Pandisal. Nobody will send you Pandisal.
Yeah, so that's it.
Marami din pong mga Filipinos sa
Marami.
Germany.
Marami din po.
Nakakaibigan niyo po?
Marami mga Pilipino doon. Kaya lang, minsan magulo rin kasi yung sa dami ng maraming mga istorya, maraming dagdag, naman. Pero marami rin mga German na, Pilipina na nakatira sa Germany. Mabait din sila, minsan hindi.
Gaya din po dito.
Kagaya rin natin, kagaya rin dito.
So how do you keep your marriage strong for 30 years now?
We still keep working on it.
Still working. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, every
Yeah.
day a challenge, and
Every day is a challenge.
you have to overcome or take it or leave it.
Yeah.
For kayo, Sir Bert, how many years na kayo? Ng wife mo?
25.
25.
20.
21, 12, 45,
Yeah,
30 years.
35, yeah.
About
Okay.
30 years.
So,
Nag-compute pa.
Biglang napakompute. Ano, Sir Bert?
Okay, may question po yun dito. Okay, Sir Bert, can you please ask Sir Gerd and Ma'am Marlo, how much is a car? How much the car cost in Germany?
oh, that's very easy to answer.
Ah, with water as gasoline. Do you also use gasoline and diesel for in your cars there?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Are there innovations like solar, or you use water?
We have
Electric.
two, but they are still expensive.
Mm.
Electric.
Okay. So there are also electric, and how about solar cars?
Yeah.
Voila.
Ah,
You don't have. But you have a solar station, so you can plug your car in and you drive then with
It's more
electricity.
electric and
Yeah.
okay, there's a message here. Sus Marcep, very, sabi ni Salvador Louie. Yung anak po ni Ma'am Peter.
Hi! They're watching. Tawag ko kasi kanya, Berry.
Very.
Hi, Uwi! Ayan.
And somebody watching from Morocco.
Wait,
From Morocco.
Hello, DCGB watching from Morocco. His initials, I cannot read. Parang mga ibang ano po ito.
Ayan. I also
Hello.
would like to greet Luan, Switzerland.
Hmm.
And Paula, nasa Cebu. Ayan. Oh, and of course, all my cousins are watching also. They're listening to this program. And also my friends from the Kiwanis Club of Daragang Magayon. Incidentally, we're going to have a meeting tomorrow. And also my Batch 75, we're going to have our meeting this coming Saturday. And our reunion will be on May 2.
Ayan. According to our viewers, sometimes it's better to marry other nationality, not because of luxury, but it's about family barrier. May mga tao nagpapakasal sa ibang lahi kasi mas well-mannered ibang lahi kumpara sa same nationality. Sa Pinas, kapag may away mag-asawa, pati pamilya nakikialam hanggang maghiwalay kayo. Ibang lahi, tutulungan kayo ng pamilya, mabuo ulit kayo as a couple. Is that correct, Mama Marilu?
Ibig sabihin, yung magulang kasi sa Germany, kagaya ng mother-in-law ko, best friend ko yung mother-in-law ko. Kung kami nagtatalo nito, mas kampi sa akin yung biyan ko, pero nasa gitna pa rin siya. Napagalitan pa. Parang ang turing niya sa akin doon, para ako ang tunay niya anak, siya yung the mutter. Die liebt mich über alles. Das ist mein bester Freund. Yeah.
I'm only in standby then.
Napakaswerte ko sa biyanan ko. Yun naman ang ginusto ko sa biyanan ko na minsan nagtalo kami, isang bisis lang, pero nagsorry din ako. Pero napakabait ng biyanan ko. Yun ang tinurin na kung parang talagang higit pa sa tunay na anak, kaya yun.
So, sis, you're very fortunate, ano?
Kaya lang, ngayon wala na siya.
Okay.
Wala na siya ngayon.
Yung dalawa na lang po talaga.
Kaming dalawa na lang. Wala rin siyang, ano baga, mayroon pa siyang pinsan at tiyuhin nakatira sa Hamburg, Germany. At siyempre, ang pamilya, ako na lang na natitira. Kaya, para sa akin, tumanda siya, dito lang siya, dito lang ako.
Who is more romantic between the two of you po?
Mas siya. Siya. Tsaka mabiro.
Mabiro, joker.
Minsan nagagalit na ako kasi biro pa siya ng biro. Alam niya nagagalit na ako, lalo pang dinudulog. Hanggat sa mainis ako, yan. Tapos magagalit na rin siya.
So, yun, very, kasi strong marriage.
So now
34 years.
Everybody knows now.
Every day you're still in love with each other.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is more frequent, yung pang-aasar or pang-aasar ba or yung sweet moments?
Minsan kasi ito si Gert, bibiruin ka niya yung kagaya ng bagong gising ka. Tayo, pag bagong gising, ibang timpla. Diba? Ako ba naman bagong gising na biruin ka? Yun.
Yeah,
Tapos diba?
don't say this, please. I want to know about it.
Nay,
When you wake up in the morning, early morning.
No. Gert, du machst Spaß früh in the morning und I'm still pissed off. Oder I'm pissed off. While du machst Spaß und I'm gerade wach. Ich bin gerade wach.
That's right.
That's why I'm...
Pero buti na lang po, Mama Marilu, hindi siya gumagamit. Di ba ngayon mga, it's a prank, nagbi-video-video pa.
Hindi siya nagmamagaw.
Buti na lang hindi kayo nagbi-video, it's a prank. Sir, sabi ni Sir Alvin, maray na hapon, tabi sa indong apat. God bless. God bless po, Sir Alvin.
Thank you.
Yes, congratulations ng gana ini si Sir Alvin Kasasaro sa DENR
Yeah,
yata.
congratulations. And hello also kay
Sa DTI yata. Oh.
Ayan, June Magdaong and kay Jerry Segovia. Ayan. Marina hapon.
One more question for you, Boss Gerd again and Mama Rilu. What advice can you give to couples in international relationships just like you?
Ano pwede mong ma-advise na para for the marriage to last?
To also last.
That every day you're still in love with each other. So what kind of advice can you give all those in international like couples that's like you?
It is difficult to answer. The reason is they are different culture.
Different culture.
So this is Filipino-German exchange. And that's maybe different than Morocco to Tunisian or American to Switzerland. It depends. So you have to give your best.
Yeah.
So
Keep working on
if
it.
you're coming out of the province in the Philippines, you have never been in Manila, and you fly alone to Hong Kong, waiting for your asawa, pick you up there, and then you're coming in Germany, and she said
Culture shock?
It was in March.
March,
In March, and she said,
29 is it?
and there's no green. All the leaves are falling down. It's winter, and she said they are all calvo. So that's
Calvo.
different. Every a lot of things are missing. As I said, the sari sari shop, the yak yak with friends. All this is missing. It's for me. It's not. It was not that complicated for her.
But then for you, it was already a challenge. That was the first time for her to travel abroad, and
For her was
Yeah.
I was hiding with my friend and she running. Was I just kidding?
We meet in Hong Kong.
Yeah, in the airport. So it's different. It's different culture, and
you keep
yeah,
working on it for.
you have both
Yeah.
have been working very hard on it. Can't say this is good, this is bad, or just feeling, just loving each other and doing the most out of the day. It's
the
a work
love, the
every day, I
respect,
mean.
everything is there.
Yeah, and this challenge is still today. Not that much, but there are always these conflicts. Yeah, but this is mine, and it's in the Philippines. It's like, I am in German, not the Philippines. And there's still those kind of discussion. And there will be always there, I think so.
How about po, Mama Rilu? Advice para sa mga couples po.
Para sa akin, yung sa mag-asawa, kailangan yung tiwala ninyo sa isa't isa. Kailangan yun ang maging matatag kasi pag wala na yung tiwala sa'yo na isang tao, napakahirap. Kagaya nito sa asawa ko, iwanan man niya ako ng ilang buwan dyan, walang ibang papalit na lalaki. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanya, papalitan kita pag ikay nawala na. Yun ang sinasabi na kahit papano, kahit maglakad siya sa baryo namin, ay wala siyang suknong na suknong yun o na nakapatong sa
Apo.
ulo. Kasi yun pa rin ang importante na mahirap kasi yung pagtatawanan ng asawa mo na kasama mo nga siya tapos meron ka naman iba. Yun ang pinakamahirap.
Yes, precisely.
Yan ang pinakamahirap. Kaya yan sana tatagan kung hanggat maaari umiwas.
Yeah, very nice, ano?
Very
So
good.
that's very strong at 34.
This will be recorded, right?
Yes.
So I
You
can-
can watch
You
it
can watch
later.
this
Yeah, yeah.
when you return back to Germany.
You can even show it to your friends when you go back
You
to
can share
Germany.
The
this.
next problem we have this week.
Okay.
Ayan, mabalik po kita pagkatapos kan magkaperang pagiromdom.
Yes, ang tamang oras, it's 2:30. We'll be back.
An oras hatod sa Indokang.
Plemex for kids. Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi. Plemex!
Liver Aid Silimarine Capsule. Ang good drinks at good food, perfect combo. Isama pa ang Liver Aid. It's liver lover, boys!
Alam nyo bang may Liver Aid Pro? Liver Aid pero pro. Si Limarina, multivitamins pa. Ang Liver 8 Pro ay hepatic protector. With proper diet and exercise, it may help maintain liver health. What's more, ang Liver 8 Pro ay maaari ding makatulong sa treatment ng chronic inflammatory conditions tulad ng fatty liver. Remember, Liver 8 Pro. Liver up na tayo. Liver 8 Pro. Mabibili ang Liver 8 Pro sa lahat ng leading drugstores nationwide. Limarin Plus Multivitamins is a generic name of Liver 8 Pro. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Proteksyon at tulong sa atay, Liver 8 Pro. May Silimarin, may multivitamins pa. Liver up na tayo with Liver 8 Pro.
Nong Speed Shop, siguradong panalo ka dito. Nong Speed Shop, sigurado ang kita mo dito. Punta na kay Kuya Nong, tsak na presyong pumasa dito. Saan ka na dito ka na, maraming ang pagpipilian. Punta na kay Kuya Nong, tsak na walang pagsisisihan. Mga murang paninda dito na matatagpuan. Huwag nang humanap ng iba dito, ang murang pamilihan. Ang daming choice kat ng manok na klarado ang papatok na siyang gustong lutuin ng ating yung mga cook. Longganisa, Bologna, skinless at tortapa. Isabay pa ang tusino, lahat to gawang Pampanga. Kung siomay is the best at try mo ang french fries na fresh. Subukan din ang hamat-hadog, sure nakikita ka best. Ay Kuya Nongs, you are the best, sigurado na ang success. Ano pa ang hinihintay, halina tayo mga best.
Hanap mo ba'y kapeng masarap na healthy pa? Ipinakikilala Dr. M's 36-in-1 Herbal Coffee Mix. Nagtataglay ng bisat galing ng The Horsetail Extract, pampaganda ng buhok, green tea, pampababa ng blood pressure, ashitaba for good digestion, turmeric at iba pa. Sugar-free, stevia ang pampakamis nito. Kaya sa susunod na paghigop ng kape, dapat Dr. M's 36-in-1 Herbal Coffee Mix. Ang Dr. M's 36-in-1 Herbal ay mabibili sa lahat ng butika, supermarket, grocery sa inyong lugar.
Kung ikaw ay edad 50 pataas katulad ko, may mataas na ang risk ng panlalabo ng paningin. Mas challenging ang pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagmamaneho. Ang Optin ay may lutin na maaari makatulong sa kalusugan ng mata, nilalabanan ang epekto ng glaucoma, macular degeneration at katarata. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Mabibili ang Optin sa mga pangunahing butika nationwide. Mahalaga ang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang ubo at hika hindi na pinatatagal. Ilabas ang ginhawa. Plemex Forte Capsule. Ang Plemex Forte Capsule ay gawa sa natural na lagundi. Tumutunaw at nagpapalabas ng plema. At dahil nasa blister pack, madaling bitbitin. Easy to carry, easy to drink. Piol Pascual po, pa-easy dahil may Plemex Forte Capsule. Basta lagundi, Plemex!
Vitex Segundo L is the generic name of Plemex Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tanggal ang plema, tigil ang ubo. Maluwag ang paghinga sa Plemex Forte. Basta lagundi, Plemex! Ang Plemex Forte Lagundi Capsule ay mabibili sa pangunahing butika o drugstore na malapit sa inyo.
Nagdadangog ka mo sa programang Usapang Pamilya, digdi sa DZGB.
Nagbabalik po ang Usapang Pamilya ngayon pong maugmang hapon nin Lunes, April 13. Good vibes afternoon, everyone.
Yes, mabuhay and welcome back to our program Usapang Pamilya. Kami po every Mondays, Tuesdays and Thursdays 2 to 3 digdi lang po sa DCGV, always number 1, always at your service. Siyempre po, permi po kaming maugma na niyaong kamo permi nagaantabay sa samuyang programa. Sir Bert?
Yes, salamat po sa mga nagdadangog, sinaghihiling. Mga kasabay ko po sa simbahan po sa Neo Catechumenal Way Community. Magandang Diyos maray na hapon po.
Ayan, maray na hapon po sa Indo and salamat. And magbangaw na ako tabi, Sir Bert, kasi kung minsan naglalako-lako, uy, very familiar ang boses mo, nagdadadangog ta ka sa radyo, mabalos po.
Thank you, salamat po.
Ayan.
Kung minsan po harayo pa naka-smile na.
Ayun nga ni.
Ika nga po ito so nahiling ni sa sa Usapang Pamilya.
Mabuhay.
Good vibes afternoon.
Ayan, padara po kamo kasi indo mga komento or mga mensahe manunugod po sa satuyang topic ko niya na hapon na magayunon po ang satuyang topic, Love Beyond Borders, hamon at tagumpay ng isang international marriage. Sa sakuya po messenger account, it's Cristina Agapita Pacres. Again, it's Cristina Agapita Pacres. And my number is 9322-406-439. Again, it's 9322-406-439.
Ayan, sa kuya man po 0991-328-1345 as in sa Facebook po, Good Vibes MC Bert. Kay bata po ngayon na hapon, nagbabalik din po si Boss Gerd and Ma'am Marilu Deismeyer from Germany. Saro po sa satuy po mga loyal viewers kang Usapang Pamilya.
Straight from Germany.
Finally,
they're here.
And it so happened before that we also have meron po tayong pa-contest and nanalo po si Boss Gerd. nanalo siya ng 100 pesos. So,
And for them to witness, bigay
yes,
ko na, Sir Bert.
para
This is
makita.
the one that you remember you won in our
Raffle.
raffle.
I'm a lucky guy.
This is your 100. Please claim.
Congratulations.
And we're so happy you're here to receive it personally. So we'll not send it through
Your
GCash.
German.
Maraming salamat po.
You're welcome. That's great. Ayan.
Ayan, congratulations po. Nanalo po kasi si Boss Gerd tsaka si Mama Marilo. Kasi regular viewer and listener po sila ng ano. Where do you watch Usapang Pamilya? Sa TV po ba? Cellphone? May
Radio.
Radio.
Internet radio.
Internet radio.
YouTube. To re-record.
Yeah. You remember Bert, he made some, what do you
Yes,
call that? A cartoon? How do you call that? Cartoon?
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Thank you so
Very
much. And
nice.
we are already using it in our
Okay.
page.
No problem.
Maybe we can have like that one print that will have a shirt like that
Yes.
with Usapang Pamilya, the two of us. Thank you so much.
And after the show, we'll also have a picture together.
Okay, no problem.
Yan.
Sige po. So magbigay po tayo, Ma'am Pita, ng mga practical tips na nag-research din po kami ni Ma'am Pita para sa topic ta po ngayon na hapon. So, ayan. So sabi nga ni po for international relationships, naari po kina Boss Gerd and Ma'am Marilo, communication is the key.
Yeah,
Yung
really.
We heard it from their mouths.
Yan. It's very important, di ba? That communication is the key. Saka para maiwasan ang tampuhan at misunderstanding, it's really important that you have to communicate.
That's
Yan.
That's
Okay.
At second po, igalang ang pagkakaiba. There should be respect.
Ayan. The importance of that is nagiging mas maayos. How do you translate that in English?
How do you translate that?
Yeah, it's even better. It's not complicated if you will communicate. Yan. No misunderstanding. Yeah. What else?
Misunderstanding, we are there every day.
Yeah.
No, we have to come over it. As
Yeah.
good as you can.
Yeah.
Top.
Another po.
Yeah. So another is you should learn how to adjust. Right.
Yes.
You have to adjust.
Para mas lumalalim din po ang relasyon po.
Yan.
Sabi baga, pag-usapan
You have to adjust and learn.
Yeah. Pag-usapan mag-asawa kung ano man yung problema.
Yeah.
Para maunawaan kung ano man yun. Minsan pag mainit siya at bababa ako kung sana baga kasi para wag minsan
Cool
naman
off.
pag ako mataas, siya yung lilo.
Very good.
Yun ang
Honey, enough, hug. Tama na, enough na.
Who says sorry first?
kadalasan ako kasi kadalasan marami akong mali. Bigla nila ako nagagalit na hindi ko naintindihan kagad yung kasi may mga German language na mga malalalim. So, hindi ko kagad yun kahit matagal na ako sa Germany, kahit everyday ako nag-German, may mga pronunciations silang mahirap intindihin. Kaya hindi naman lahat ng bagay na galing kang Germany, madali tumaas na yung ego mo, matalino. I'm not. Mababa lang naman ang aking natapos. Kaya, ginawa ko lang yung hanggat makakaya ko. Yun lang yun.
Okay. Sige po. So, and siguro isusunod po natin yung another tip na there are challenges in marriages. Wag susuko. Ano po?
Yeah. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Of course, every day we face some challenges, but never give up.
Yeah. At saka palaging isipin ang bukas.
Oh, of course.
Wag yung ubus-ubus. Sinasabi pa na pag ubus-ubus ka, bukas wala ka na. Yun ang kailangan, may lagi kang mag-save na kahit papano, mayroon kang dudukutin sa oras ng kailangan. Kasi sa Germany, iba doon eh. Hindi kagaya dito, mayroon ditong 5-6. Sa Germany, wala. Walang 5-6 naman. May lalapit sa'yo, para pautangin ka. In Germany, kailangan mong mag-save. Hindi yung kagaya nito talagang mag-ipon ka. Kung may gusto kang bilhin, pag-ipunan mo ng mabuti, huwag kang mangutang. Ako, hindi ako nangungutang ng sa Germany kasi takot ako sa utang. Yung ibig sabihin, hanggat kaya, kung mayroon man akong gustong bilhin, pag-ipunan namin mag-asawa. At saka kung mayroon man siyang bibilhin, sinasabi niya muna sa akin. Lahat, kahit maliit na bagay, malaking bagay, pinag-uusapan ako ano yung dapat. Yun ang maganda.
It's really nice because we have that in one of our topics, how to save. We don't just spend on anything every day. You have to go out and eat, to buy something that's not those are not essential. Might as well just set aside
Mm.
for some emergency. And another is to love every day.
Yes.
Appreciate one another every day.
Sometimes I don't love Gab. But sometimes yes.
This is live, Boss Bird. There's no
Choose to
cutting.
love every day and appreciate one another. Even the smallest thing that you do, you have to appreciate. It's because of the effort, everything. And of course, we have to think that this is for you. And if it's not appreciated, of course, I'll feel bad. I tried so hard, but this is not appreciated. It seems that he doesn't love me or something like that. So you have to appreciate and show to love every day. Every day, huh?
Every day.
Every day.
What are your hobbies and pastimes that you enjoy doing together?
Ako? Actually, ang hobby ko magluto at trabaho. At isa pa, syempre, pamilya. Kailangan, kahit minsan lang tumawag sila ng kumusta ka na dyan, okay ka ba dyan? Yun lang minsan sa atin yung sinasabi na pag sa malayo, kilala ka lang kung mayroon o kaya karamihan. Pero minsan kasi, nandoon sa ibang bansa, malungkot. Malayo ka, kasama mo lang asawa mo. Totoo yung sinasabi nila na napakahirap pag malayo sa pamilya.
Malayo.
Minsan naman yung pamilya, di nila naiintindihan kung ano ang nagiging kalagayan namin sa lugar na yun. Yun ang sa ibang bansa. Kagaya ko, wala na rin ako magulang, wala na rin ako ama, at siya na lang, at meron na lang akong tiyahin na tinutulungan.
Mga kapatid po, solo ka
kapatid
din?
po ako, isa nasa Sweden. Doon na siya, kasi yun naman ay Swedish na siya doon.
Okay.
At dito naman, meron akong tinutulungan yung tiyahin ko, kasi kung saan ba walang iba rin maasahan, ako na lang din akong gumagabay sa kanila.
Hi, Ma'am Glo Atento watching, Ma'am Gloria Atento. Sabi po ni Luan, Guten Tag from Switzerland.
Good job.
She's watching right now.
It's dear, Luan.
Okay.
Okay, so we have some messages here from our listeners and viewers. From Jenny, nakaka-inspire ang 34 years. Totoo po.
Yeah, 34 years. Totoo yan. Kaya it's no joke, 34 years.
34 years
Yes.
is
And
long.
there's also another message here. I think they already answered this. Paano nila na-overcome ang differences? So how were you able to overcome the differences?
Always working on it.
Always working. Always working on it. Yan.
Boss Gerd, Sir Clint, one of our viewers, is asking, what favorite Filipino food? What is your favorite Filipino food?
Spicy. Rice and some, what we call it? Pusit.
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 Adobo.
No, that is dry.
Grill.
Dried pusit.
You said that palutan.
Masarap ng masarap.
Si Ramon. How about buko juice? Do you drink buko juice now?
Every day.
Every day. That's good. So you also the meat. You also eat the meat.
Sure.
Very good.
Young coconut.
Young coconut. Buko. I also drink buko juice every day. That's very good. It's very good.
Si ano po pala si Boss Gerd is observing intermittent, ang tawag po doon, intermittent fasting. He eats 5 o'clock in the evening, then eats the next day at 1 o'clock.
No sugar?
Depends.
No.
Between 16 to 20 hours.
He don't add sugar and salt.
No sugar and
No
salt.
salt.
At the moment, it's a little bit difficult here in the Philippines. I don't have my blender, and I more drink than eat.
Water.
No, smoothies. First smoothie is around
He's a vegan.
1 liter of vegetable, and then the next one is chiasan, tofu, and
Healthy living po pala kayo, ano?
and
Siya lang, ako.
some powder like protein powder and things like this.
Siya lang pala ang healthy living.
Yeah. There's a message here from Lisa. Nakakakilig ang love story.
Yes, kilig with depth.
Kilig.
Kilig siya. Ay!
Oh. Kilig.
O ano daw po ang secret, sabi ni Sir Marco, ano daw po ang sikreto ng long-lasting marriage?
What's the secret?
The secret for you have
Ang secret ko sa aking ang secret ng love namin mag-asawa, kahit anong away namin, ay nandiyan pa rin yung pag-ibig. Kahit hindi yung iba kasi pag nag-away kayo, hiwalayan na kagad kayo. Kung ano-ano nang ginagawa, sakitan na kung ano pa man. Siya hindi. Kahit nag-aaway kami, nandiyan pa rin yung love namin sa isa't isa. Hindi nawawala.
Yan. Sir Bert, away lang yan.
Away lang yan, oo.
Away lang yan, but the love is here.
Nandito. Tsaka pag maano talaga siya. Pag may mali siya, sabihin sa akin. Pero kadalasan kasi, ako nagsusorry kasi ako palagi ang may mali. Kasi mas naiintindihan na niya kung yung, ang tawag nito yung, alam na niya yung kung ano yung tama. Ako naman, sige, pinipilit ko pa rin yung na mali. Ganun.
Ibig sabihin po, pasensyoso po si
Lambing na lang yun.
Pero pag sinumpong din, iba rin.
Ha?
Iba rin. Mabait sila, pero yun nga lang. Mayroon nga, sabi na may isang salita. Hindi sila yung Pero, yung asawa ko na yan, kahit ganyan-ganyan yan. Mahal na mahal ko yan.
Absolutely have to watch the YouTube later on.
Ang sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi naman sa Kuya Bert, Auntie Pita, Ma'am Pita, sabi ko sa asawa ko, sana naman kung ako iiwanan mo, sana wag dito sa Germany, doon lang sa Pilipinas.
Ibalik ka muna.
No. Sinabi ko sa asawa ko, kung ako iiwanan mo, sana doon ka sa Pilipinas mawawala ng buhay, wag dito. Sinabi ko yan sa kanya. Ikaw erzählt, dass wenn du mag-Urlaub, long time, dass du never come back, ay here in Philippines, not in Germany, because Germany is mahirap. Mag-isa ka lang dun sa sementeryo. Hindi dito kagaya dito.
So that you can still visit him.
No, hindi kagaya dito. Kasabi baga ang pag-ibig, walang walang hanggang sinasabi, ano man tawag nun sa Tagalog?
Forever.
Yeah, ibig sabihin talagang kung sa ano baga, gusto ko dito. Pero hindi ko naman agad na bukas. So, siyempre, kahit ganyan yan, love ko pa rin. Kahit
love na love.
Kahit matanda na, the love is still na. Oo.
Oo na. Sabi po ni Ma'am Christina Paula Pacres, hello, watching from Cebu.
Hi, Pawi. Hope to see you tomorrow.
Hello, Paula.
Yeah. My daughter is also watching from Cebu. And Luan in Switzerland. And my son here in Tiwi.
Yes, also watching.
All of them are watching.
That is my stewardess to see. That's her.
So, yeah.
Thank you for watching. Ayan, sa mga kapamilya po natin.
Last, message pa kasi we'll have 2 minutes.
Okay po.
So, maybe you would like to give some message to our viewers and listeners before we part. We only have 2 minutes. Maybe you want to
parting message.
Parting message that you will have a strong marriage, 34 years, and growing stronger every day, loving each other every day. So maybe you can give some tips and message to our listeners and viewers.
It's very simple. All what you said just now, just try to do it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Nothing else to say.
Yeah, Mama Rilu.
Yeah. Salamat na lang sa swerso ikliran siya sa moment. Swerso ikliran. Bikan dasagan.
So, ano pwede mong itong mensahe sa gabos na nagkakaigwa ng marriage na alimbawa parehas, foreigner and Filipina or Bicolana?
Kailangan maging matatag lang.
Matatag. Okay.
Kailangan maging matatag at kahit anong hirap, kahit anong pagsubok, isipin mo may bukas pa.
Tama yun.
Opo.
Oo.
Kasi minsan
there's still hope. You remember? Hope. May pag-asa.
May pag-asa. Kung ano man yung mali mo nagawa, bukas babago rin yun. Kailangan lawakan mo ang pag-iisip o kaya huwag kang iisip na kung ano mang hindi maganda. Basta isipin mo lang na kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. Ano na lang.
It's very strong. Ganyan.
Yes. Thank you so much, Boss Gerd and Mama Rilu.
Thank you so much for
your time.
Program. Thank you for coming over. And it's so nice to see you. Finally, we have met.
Yes.
That's true.
Ayan. Kaya mga kausapang pamilya, ang tunay na pag-ibig ay hindi natatapos sa kilig. Tama, Mama Rilu?
Totoo yan.
Ayan. Ito ay pinipili, pinagtsatsagaan at pinapahalagahan araw-araw.
Ayan. At kahit magkaiba ng kultura, wika o pinanggagalingan,
kapag may respeto, tiwala at commitment,
ang pag-ibig ay walang hangganan.
Kami po sa indong mga nakaibahan.
Mabuhay, ako po si Pita, kaibata man po sa Technical Department si Sir Juna Police.
Asin si Sir Jerome Nico Martinez, kay bata man po ang satuyang mga OJTs from Cat College na sina Sir CJ Morante and Sir Aldwin Andes. Ako man po si Bert Nunez na nagsasabing bawat usapang pamilya.
May panibagong pag-asa, tutok lang po si DCGB at sinabangan ang masunod na programa. Mapalo sa sinubuhay.
Sa indong nadangog, ang programang Usapang Pamilya. Abangan liwat sa aga. Salamat.
Ubo ng anak?